Next, we are going to see about the star delta starter. This starter is cheapest starter of all, hence used very commonly for the induction motor starter. This is a diagram for the star delta starter. It uses the triple pole double throw, that is TP-DT switch. The switch connects the stator winding in star to start. Hence, the phase voltage gets reduced by the factor of 1 by root 3. Due to the reduced voltage, the starting current is limited. When the switch is thrown on other side, the winding gets connected in delta across the supply. So it gets normal rated voltage. The windings are connected in delta. The motor gathers sufficient speed. The operation of switch can be automatically by using relay, which ensure the motor will not start with run position. The cheapest of all and maintenance free operation for two important advantages of this starter. Next one is rotor resistance starter. This is a diagram for the rotor resistance starter. Here, in the starter, the external resistance can be added in the rotor side. So, limit the rotor current, which consequently to reduce the current drawn by the motor from the supply. The resistance can be inserted in the rotor circuit at start. This addition of resistance in the rotor form of three-phase star connector rheostat. The external resistance is inserted in each phase of rotor winding through the slip ring and brush assembly. Initially, the maximum resistance is in the circuit. As the motor gathers speed, the resistance is gradually cut off. The operations may be manual or automatic. Hence, the important advantage of this method is only the starting current is limited by starting torque of the motor. Next one is direct online starter. This is a diagram for the direct online starter. In case of small capacity of motor having rating less than 5 HP, the starting current is not very high. Such a motor can be withstand the starting current without any starter. So this starter does not reduce the applied voltage. It is used because it protects the motor from various severe abnormal conditions like overloading, low voltage, simple phasing, etc. So the NO contact is normally open and NC is normally closed. At start, NO is pushed the fraction of a second due to which coil gets energized and attracts the conductor. So stator directly gets supply. The additional conduct provides the ensure that as long as supply is on. So the coil gets supply and gets conductor is in on position. When the NC is pressed, the coil circuit gets open due to the coil gets de-energized, the motor gets switched off from the supply. Under overload condition, the current drawn by the motor increases due to the when excessive heat produced, which increases the temperature beyond the limit. The thermal relay gets open due to high temperature, protecting the motor from the overload condition. Thank you.